this is Starway. Welcome to a different episode. Today I am here on the Play.io site and I'm just making my own PC piece by piece. Uh, there's a problem because it's in Greek and it's very hard just to see what I'm doing. But up down I can just understand what I'm doing. So first of all, it's not gonna be this my PC. It was my first choice for the outside, for the box, but finally I'm gonna take this one, which is much smaller, the price, but it looks much beautiful. So much more beautiful, much more beautiful. Come on, spawn. It's not going very good, but yeah, I don't know. Yeah, that's it. It's very good because, as you can see, this down here, this thing, you can drop it down, you can just grab it and move it down, and there's gonna be the buttons up here to press the start, the reboot, and even more. So yeah, what characteristics? So the power supply is a I've put a good one, which is a TurboX PSU 400 watt value series. It's definitely very good, not much expensive, but can do this work. So processor I've put a AMD CPU Athlon 2.5 GHz, 2 megabyte cache, and it's in R3. So now coolers I put for cooling my PC. I put two fans, 92 millimeters black, 450 euro everyone. I put two of them in. Definitely gonna work awesome. So it's gonna be on the back of the side of my PC. It's definitely gonna work awesome. So motherboard, I've put it has only one for this PC and this characteristics, an MSI AM19 AM1 DDR3 Mini ITX. It's very good. Is an MSI. So RAM, I've put a where is it? Yeah, here. And Corsair RAM DDR3 4GB DIMM 1333 MHz XMS3 is very good, it's a beast, and it's very good. 35 euro about. So graphics card, the graphic card I've put a let me just load. Let me check. Come on, my internet sucks. So I've put the Sapphire VGA PCI XR5 232GB, which is a beast too. 74 euros is a beast. Yeah, guys, it's awesome. 2GB CPU, graphics card, Sapphire, and there's also the best one that has is the MSI VGA GTX Titan, 1,429 euros. God. Hard driver, I've put a. Let me just let it load. Let it load. So, come on, load. Okay, I've put a Toshiba DT01ACA050 500GB HDD, which are awesome because it's HDD and not an SSD like it's this one. 5200 RPM, SATA 6 Gbps. Is it SATA 3 or not? Yeah, it's SATA 3. Yeah, it says here SATA 3. So CD driver, I've put a I've put in very an easy one, which is Roblox internal card reader, which is definitely not very bad, but yeah, that's good. So, wait a minute, guys. This one here is to put small, just external SDs, adapters, and even more. It's not for CD, so I have to put in another one in. Oh yay! So Samsung DVD RW baby black bulk. I'm gonna just take this one, yeah. So it's needed, all it's needed, yeah. Yeah. Also operating system, I've not put an operating system because, sorry guys, because it's very expensive. The Windows 8, let me check. Microsoft Windows 8 64-bit Greek and English costs 110 euros. The Windows 7 Pro 32-bit 175 euros, and the 64-bit, and the Microsoft Windows 8 64-bit Pro 155 euros. So I don't even put this one of these two operating system because it's very expensive, and I have it also on my here. I have it on my workplace here, so I can easily just, when I open the PC, just put it in and just load the operating system I definitely want. I'm gonna put the Microsoft Windows 8 64-bit. Yeah, this I'm gonna put on my PC. So monitor didn't took something. So mouse took a simple one, which is definitely gonna help me on my gaming things. It's, yeah, 800 DPI, not so much, but yeah, it's gonna do its work. So keyboard's nothing, and yeah, so even more nothing. So total we have 339.50 euros. It's about 340 euros, which is definitely a very good price for this, with a graphics card, a Sapphire, with a processor, which is an AMD Athlon, 2 GB, no, 1 GB and 2 GB the graphics card. And yeah, so yeah guys, thanks for watching, and I will see you all in another episode, guys. Bye.